Everyone wants that trendy layered cut you see in Pinterest photos. But the real problem is, even if you show your barber photos, your hair never ends up looking anything like it. Because without real layering, your hair has no direction, no movement, and no flow. Most barbers out there don't know how to layer properly. Just look at these photos. In the first one, the hair isn't layered, so it just falls straight down the back. But in the second one, see how the hair flows backward with shape and movement? That's the power of clean layering. It completely changes your face and your style. So today, I'm going to show you the simple 3-step process to get that perfect layered cut every single time. 1. The awkward phase. The first step to growing long hair is the awkward phase. You have to grow your hair for 3 months straight. No cutting, no trimming, no fixing the sides. And yes, this phase gets really awkward. Your hair won't listen to you, it'll stick out in random directions, it'll cover your forehead one day and puff up the next. Sleeping will feel uncomfortable because your hair keeps falling on your face. And honestly, you will sometimes feel like an old caveman just waiting for evolution. But here's the truth. Every guy with long, amazing hair has gone through this phase. There is no shortcut. If you want that clean, flowy, attractive long hair look, you have to survive these messy 3 months. And since you're planning to keep your hair long, you also need to take proper care of it from the very beginning. Shampoo and conditioner routines, oiling, brushing, controlling frizz, all of that matters once it starts growing. 2. Finding a barber. Growing your hair is easy, but finding a good barber is the real challenge. Here's the truth. Most local barbers only know basic cuts, short fade on the sides, a little length on top, and that's it. But long hair needs layers, movement, and shape. Most normal barbers don't know how to cut layers properly. So here are the barbers you must avoid. Barbers who only do fades, barbers who rush your haircut, barbers who don't understand long hair structure. You need someone who can cut hair using scissors, not just clippers. Someone who understands texture, layers, and shaping your hair to your face. But here's the problem. Finding a skilled barber is very hard, especially if you're growing your hair long for the first time. So now you only have 2 real options. Option 1, go to a good, expensive salon. Professional stylists know how to cut layers properly. They understand long hair and can bring out your hair's full potential. If you can afford it, this is the easiest choice. Option 2, teach an average barber exactly what to do. If you don't want to pay salon prices, you must guide your normal barber step by step. Tell him exactly how to cut layers, where to remove bulk, and how much length to keep. And don't worry, in the next step, I'll tell you exactly what to say to your barber so you get the perfect long layered haircut. 3. Train your barber. Here's how to guide your barber so he gives you the perfect long hairstyle. Step 1. Section the hair properly. Ask him to divide your hair into 4 sections: top, left side, right side, back. Every professional barber does this before a layered cut. Step 2. Top hair shorter than the sides. For long hairstyles and good flow, your top hair should be slightly shorter and your sides should be longer to frame your face. Tell him, keep the front hair long enough to reach the tip of my nose. Keep the sides longer than the top so they fall naturally. This creates movement and avoids the triangle shape. Step 3. Texture the back. Ask him to add texture to the back using scissors or eraser. Texturing is very important because it adds movement, it removes bulk, it creates natural curves in the back. Without texture, the hair looks flat, straight, and ruins the overall look. Tell him, please add light texture at the back so it flows naturally. This is exactly how barbers cut K-pop flow and layered hairstyles. In the end, if you want proof, then these are my hairs, perfectly layered and textured. Yes, I also have a layered cut. If you want more videos like this in future, then make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon.